This Morning's Cat Deeley and Ben Shepherd.
Now, this morning's Emergency Services Award pays tribute to heroes on the front line who risk their own lives to protect us every single day.
So 2024 marks the 200th anniversary of the RNLI, a vital organisation made up mostly of volunteers who have saved more than 146,000 lives at sea.
And tonight's winner had a hand in saving 319 of them and led one of the most heroic rescues in the organisation's history.
Crikey, that could have turned out very differently.
Well, I suppose it could have done, but...
Why, you're the first lifeboatman in 45 years to receive the RNLI.
Yes, to present your award, please welcome football hero turned channel swimmer Graham Souness and broadcasting legend.
To the boatman for how many years now?
Oh my goodness,
early 2000s?
Yes, 20 years.
Fundraiser of the year said he was looking forward to meeting one person.